maths teacher. Today I am going to start the new topic polynomials and factorization, which is the second chapter in the 9th class maths. Okay, what is the today's topic? Polynomials and factorization. Before going to that, let us recall some points. Okay, for solving problems, we are using the numbers. Number means like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, these numbers values never change in any problem or in any situation. Okay, so these numbers are called constants. What they are? Constants. In some problems, for unknown values, we are using English alphabets like A, B, C, X, Y, Z and etc. These values are changing according to problem or according to situation. So, these English alphabets are called variables. What they are? Variables. Variable, these were derived from vary. Vary means change. Vary means change. Okay? Variables are denoted by English alphabets.
Start.
Already we know what is variables. Variables are using instead of numbers. So in variable also we can do mathematical operations. That means if we take A and B two variables, we can add that variables and we can subtract the variables and we can multiply and we can divide it. Okay. Next, coming to algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? It is a combination of one or more terms using the binary operations plus and minus. Okay, let us see some examples. 3x. 3x is a algebraic expression. It is a single term. Okay, and 3x plus 4y. It is also a algebraic expression. It is a combination of two terms. Here one thing you have to remind that in expressions only plus and minus can divide the terms. Okay, that means into and divided by doesn't divide terms. Here what is the symbol here? Plus. So it is divide this algebraic expression as two terms. This is one term and this is second term. Here I am writing 3x into 4y. It is only one term only because what is the symbol between here? Into. Into doesn't divide the number of terms. So it is totally one term only. Next, what is polynomial? Now our topic, what is polynomial? Algebraic expression when each exponent is a non-negative integer are known as polynomials. Okay, here 3x I said as algebraic expression. It is also a polynomial and it is also a polynomial and it is also a polynomial. But 3x power 1 by 2. It is a algebraic expression but not a polynomial because here exponent is rational number. So it is not a non-negative integer. So it is not a polynomial. Okay, next example. 3x power minus 4. What is the exponent here? Minus 4. It is a negative integer. So it will also not a polynomial. It can be said as algebraic expression but not a polynomial. In which algebraic expression the exponent should be non-negative integer, then only the algebraic expression is called as polynomials. Next, types of polynomial according to number of terms. If in a polynomial only one term is there, then it is called monomial. What it is? Monomial. For example, 3xy z w. It has only single term. So it is called as monomial. Next, if in a polynomial two terms are there, then it is called binomial. For example, 3x plus 4y. If in a polynomial three terms are there, then it is called of polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the largest degree of its variable terms. Let us see how it is. Here I am writing a polynomial. Okay, I am writing a polynomial. It is mononomial, of course. What is the degree of this mononomial? What is the power of variable here? 2. And what is the power of variable y here? 3. If we add these two exponents of variables, we get 5. 5 is the degree of this monomial. If in polynomial 2 terms are there, like plus 5. Here 2 terms here appearing. So how we can say that the degree of this total polynomial? Here what is the power of variables here? 2 plus 4. So it is 6. Here what is the power of variables? 3 plus 3. It is also 6 equal. So what is the degree of this total polynomial? 6. Let us take one more example. Here it is a polynomial. Here what is the power of x? 5. Here what is the power of y? 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Here what is the power of x? 1. Here what is the power of y? 1. 1 plus 1 means 2. What is the highest degree here? 6. So 6 has considered the degree of this total polynomial. Okay. Types of polynomials according to degree. Okay. First one, type of polynomial, degree, and let us see examples of that one. Okay, types of polynomial. First one is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial is nothing but only the number 0. We can't define that degree of the zero polynomial. So what is the degree here? Not defined. Why? Because 0 means 0 into x power 5 also 0. 0 into x power 4. It is also 0. So we can't define the degree of zero polynomial. Zero polynomial is nothing but 0. Next, coming to constant polynomial. What is the degree of that constant polynomial? 1. Sorry, 0. Why? Because all constant numbers, that means all numbers are called as constant polynomials. What is the degree of that polynomial? 0. Why? Because 2 can be written as 2 into x power 0. 2 into x power 0 means 1. 2 into 1, 2. So in these all cases, in number cases, we set a degree of that constant polynomial is 0. Okay. Next one is linear polynomial. Where the degree of the polynomial is 1, then that is called linear polynomial. For example, x plus 3 and x plus y. What is the degree in these two polynomials? 1 only. So these are examples for linear polynomial and degree is 1. Next, quadratic polynomial. In which polynomials the degree is 2, then they are called quadratic polynomials. For example, x square plus x plus 3. What is the degree here? 2. What is the degree here? 2. So these type of polynomials are called quadratic polynomials. Next, coming to cubic polynomial, where the highest degree is seen in which polynomials, the polynomials are called cubic polynomial. For example, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. What is the degree here? 3. What is the highest degree here? 3. So these type of polynomials are called cubic polynomials. After that, if degree is 4 of a polynomial, then that polynomial is called fourth degree polynomial. Okay. So the general form of nth degree polynomial is p of x is equal to an into x power n plus an minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus etc. plus a1 into x plus a naught. Where an not equal to 0, then it is called nth degree polynomial. Here a naught, a1, an minus 1, an are constants. Okay children, understood? Let us continue the next part.